When I practice flying my drone, I like to do exercises. Like here, I found this beautiful valley with a bridge. And of course I had to fly under the bridge. It's a small creek at the bottom, and I also like flying low, following something like a trail or a creek. Today I started in sports mode, and before I got to know the place, it's not so smart. I don't fly as low as I normally would, but it's fast and my first flight of the day. Not very cinematic. But starting in sports mode was a bad idea. I also like practice fast landing. I was sure that the controller said 2 meters above the starting point when I came in for landing. But this happened. Here in slow-mo. So, new propellers. I also like practicing like this. Suddenly revealing something. I think this was my third attempt. I discovered this place when I was at the Castillo nearby. Castillo is like a fortress, not a castle. I like to practice like this as well. I only wish I would pull back a bit and have more sky on the picture. We will go to the Castillo in just a moment. I live in a sunny part of Spain called Cabo de Palos. I always call it paradise, my friends. I have health problems, so I don't work so much. That gives me plenty of time to fly drone. Cabo de Palos is a no-fly zone, and I have to go half an hour at least to fly in a decent place. Better if I go about 1 hour like this. Here again I'm following a creek, this time lower, and I think it's in normal mode. I try to do it as cinematic as possible, but yeah, it's fast and lots of turns. This time I have flown here before, so I know a bit where I'm flying. Sitting on the top right here, and I know that I have to be minus 15 meters from where I'm sitting, because you have some electric cables around here. And at the top I cheat a bit and I speed up the turn. The Air 3 is amazing. It can go up and down 10 meters per second, which is incredible. The speed forward is 19, maximum 19 meters per second. Here I go under the bridge again. I think it's full speed. And then I rise up afterwards, and I rise up a bit too much. So when I turn back to go under the bridge, it's a bit far down. And it goes down and down and down. Very close, and the obstacle avoidance does not work in sports mode. Very often I fly too far when I come in this fast. It takes a while for the drone to stop, but I love the sound it makes in sports mode. I've had my Air 3 for almost a month now, and I edited my first video then. The clips are about 12 days old when I post the video. This is the north of Norway in December. It's actually darker than it looks. 2 months with no sun. This is in the middle of the day. If you're still watching, I can tell you that I've only flown a drone for 2 months. So this is a kind of jubileum. My first drone was a Potensic Atom SE. And as I said, my Air 3 I had only for about 1 month. As you can see, it has no gimbal. One of my first times flying a drone. Let's go to the Castillo and have a look. It's called Castillo de Alcalá. It's close to Mula and Murcia. It looked like a natural fortress. Not many ruins are left on the top. This is natural speed I go around. So for a beginner, I'm very happy with the flying. Not perfect, but. And now you can see the stairs to walk in. So I'm trying for the second time follow me mode. This is a type where the drone is just standing still and following me when I walk in the entrance of the castle. The stairs are very scary with loose rocks everywhere, and it's quite far away to fall down. I will now take off my backpack and I will come again and see another follow mode. And here you can see the drone is actually losing me, and it's looking for me, looking and looking, and in the end it actually finds me. So I obviously set it in some wrong follow me mode, but it actually found me, not crashing into anything. It's amazing. Here the follow me mode works just as I intended. So you can see how steep it is, the sides of the fortress. If you have some good advice, please leave them in the comments. If you want to follow my development, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.